Are you a small business owner, freelancer, or startup founder who's tired of messy spreadsheets and lost leads? Wondering if Pipedrive is the CRM that can actually help you grow your business in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Pipedrive, including its features, user interface, integrations, pricing, pros and cons, and even the new AI tools it's offering. By the end, you'll know whether Pipedrive is the right CRM for your business or not. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Pipedrive? Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM built specifically for small to mid-sized businesses. It's designed to help sales teams stay organized, track leads, and close deals faster. Unlike some of the bloated CRM tools out there, Pipedrive keeps it simple. It's based on something called activity-based selling, which basically means it pushes you to focus on the next step in the sales process, whether that's a call, an email, or a meeting. But does that simple mean limited? Not really. Let's talk about the features. One of the first things you'll notice about Pipedrive is the visual sales pipeline. You can easily drag and drop deals through custom stages, and yes, you can create your own stages based on how your sales process works, whether you're closing high-ticket services or selling products online. It's flexible enough to fit. Then there's email sync. You can connect your Gmail, Outlook, or other email accounts and manage everything directly from Pipedrive. You can send, receive, track, and even schedule emails, and it'll log all your communication on each contact or deal automatically. It saves time, avoids confusion, and keeps everyone on the same page. Now, let's talk about automation. Pipedrive lets you automate repetitive tasks, like sending follow-up emails or assigning deals to team members. You can build automations in just a few clicks, and honestly, it's one of the easiest systems I've used. If you've ever felt buried under admin work, this alone could be a game changer. Another standout feature is the Insights dashboard, your command center for sales data. It gives you real-time visibility into your sales pipeline, conversion rates, individual and team performance, and custom KPIs. Whether you are a solopreneur keeping tabs on your funnel or a sales manager reporting to stakeholders, this dashboard delivers clarity and control. You can visualize bottlenecks, track deal velocity, and see which reps are crushing their quotas, all at a glance. And if you're into data-driven decisions, Insights is a total game changer. Oh, and before I forget, if you're ready to give Pipedrive a spin, I've got you covered. Use our link below to start your 21-day free trial, no credit card needed, plus you'll unlock an exclusive 20% discount when you subscribe. Lead Booster is another optional add-on that's worth mentioning. It includes a chatbot, live chat, web forms, and even a prospector tool that helps you find verified leads. It's not included in the basic plan, but it can be worth the extra cost if you're serious about generating new leads in autopilot. Now, let's talk about user interface, because if your CRM feels like a second job, no one on your team is going to use it. Pipedrive is one of the cleanest and most intuitive dashboards out there. Everything is organized by tabs, the pipeline view is drag and drop, and even beginners can figure out within an hour or two. There's not a huge learning curve here, which is great if you don't want to spend days training your team. When it comes to integrations, Pipedrive connects with over 500 other tools. That includes Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, QuickBooks, Trello, Asana, Zapier, and more. If you're already using tools like these, it's super easy to plug them into your CRM and streamline your workflow. Now, let's talk about pricing because this is where a lot of people either jump in or jump out. Pipedrive currently offers 5 pricing tiers. Essential, $14 a month, great for basic pipeline tracking and contact management. Advanced, which is $24 a month, it adds email sync, templates, scheduling, and simple automations. Then Professional, which is $49 a month, includes revenue projections, custom dashboards, and team permissions. Power is $59 a month, made for larger teams who need advanced collaboration tools and permissions. Enterprise is priced at $79 per month. It adds full onboarding support, unlimited reporting, and enterprise-level customization. All plans come with a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out without pulling out your wallet. Now here's the spicy part, the new AI features. AI in Pipedrive is no longer just hype. It's becoming genuinely useful. First, there is the AI Sales Assistant. This tool scans your activity and data, then gives you intelligent suggestions on what to focus on next. It might recommend following up with a lead you haven't contacted in a while, or it may spot bottlenecks in your pipeline you hadn't noticed. Then there's the AI email writer. It helps you draft personalized emails for follow-ups or outreach, and surprisingly, the tone and structure are actually usable. If you've ever stared at a blank email wondering what to say, this tool is a real productivity boost. They've also added an AI-powered email summarizer. If you get a long chain of back and forths with a client, this tool summarizes the thread in a few bullet points so you don't have to reread every single message. These AI features aren't just gimmicks, they help reduce decision fatigue and save time, which is huge if you're wearing multiple hats as a small business owner. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked until it's too late. Customer support. Pipedrive shines here too. You get 24/7 chat and email support on all plans, with faster response times on higher tiers. There's also a well-organized help center, video tutorials, and a community forum to troubleshoot or learn at your own pace. So whether you're stuck setting up a workflow or just need clarity on a feature, help is always within reach. Alright, time for a reality check. The pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. First, the interface is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. You don't need a dedicated admin to manage it. Second, the pipeline and deal tracking are excellent. It's one of the few tools that makes your sales data feel actionable, not just like spreadsheets with colors. Third, the automations and AI tools actually save you time. They don't just add complexity. Fourth, the integrations are deep and useful. It plays nice with most modern tools. And lastly, their mobile app is rock solid. You can manage leads, log calls, and check your pipeline on the go. Now the cons. Pricing can get steep if you need advanced features. You'll likely need to be on the $49 professional plan or higher to unlock the real power. There's no forever plan. You only get 21 days free, then it's pay to play. And while the reporting is decent, some users feel that it lacks the deep analytics you'd get from higher-end CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce. So what's the final verdict? Is Pipedrive the best CRM for small businesses in 2025? If you need a simple, effective, and scalable CRM that won't eat up your time or confuse your team, yes, Pipedrive is one of the best out there. It's not perfect, but for the price and the features you get, especially with the new AI tools, it offers incredible value. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade from a clunky system, Pipedrive can definitely help you close more deals and stay organized without overwhelming your workflow. I'd recommend trying the free trial, testing the automations, and seeing how it fits into your daily routine. CRM is one of those things where real results come from actually using the tool consistently. And Pipedrive makes that easier than most. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a special discount. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and let me know if you want a comparison between Pipedrive and other CRMs like Zoho or HubSpot.